Today we're making a comforting oven-baked fish that's creamy, savory, and full of flavor. Let's get started. With shrimp and spinach, 8 sole fillets, 150 grams of peeled shrimp, 200 grams of grated cheese, 200 grams of fresh spinach, 1 onion chopped, 1 garlic clove chopped, 4 deciliters of béchamel sauce, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Add a drizzle of olive oil to a saucepan, then add the chopped onion and chopped garlic. Sauté gently for a couple of minutes. Add the fresh spinach and cook until wilted and tender. Place the sole fillets in the oven-proof dish, seasoned with salt and pepper. Spoon the cooked spinach mixture over the sole until the fish is nicely covered. Scatter the peeled shrimp over the spinach layer. Pour the béchamel sauce over everything, covering the top very well. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the béchamel. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and serve decorated to your taste. And there you have it, a creamy baked sole dish with shrimp and spinach that's simple, elegant, and full of comfort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Do not overcook the spinach. As soon as it softens and releases moisture, it is ready. Spread the shrimp evenly so every serving gets a good balance of fish, greens, and seafood. Use a cheese that melts well and browns nicely for a richer finish. If you want a deeper golden top, switch on the grill for the last 1 to 2 minutes, watching carefully.